Hello mga mamshi! Welcome back to Casa Amara, your Pinay homemaker dito sa Amerika. For today's video, samahan nyo kaming kumain sa Jollibee. Spring break hits different when your itinerary includes something close to your heart, and that is Jollibee. Hindi lang basta fast food stop. This one, pinag-drivean talaga namin ng ilang oras. From Tennessee, on the way to Fort Lauderdale, nag-detour kami just for this. Ganun siya ka-special for me. Alam mo yung excitement na parang bata ulit? That's exactly how I felt pulling up here. Dati, whenever pupunta kami ng Jollibee, I always ask my friends, may gusto ba kayong ipabili? Kasi bihira lang talaga makapunta. Pero this time, hindi na ako nagtanong kasi we're staying in Fort Lauderdale for 2 nights before heading back to Alabama. So alam ko mapapanis lang yung pagkain. So sa ngayon, for once, is just for us. Simple lang, chicken joy, spaghetti, and peach mango pie, pero iba yung feeling. Hindi lang siya pagkain, it's memories, it's home. Habang kumakain ako, I couldn't help but go back. Lumaki ako sa isla, walang Jollibee doon, walang mall, kailangan mo pang pumunta sa mainland para lang makatikim neto. So, for the longest time, pangarap lang siya. Naalala ko pa the very first time na natikman ko ang Jollibee. I was actually teary-eyed, hindi dahil sa pagkain lang, kundi dahil sa thought na sana kasama ko yung mga kapatid ko, sana sabay-sabay namin na experience. And now, here I am. Different country, nasa Amerika na si Dai!
Wow!
Different life, pero dala ko pa rin yung batang ako na sobrang saya sa simpleng bagay. And this time, I get to share it with my daughter and my husband.
Aww.
From long drives to small stops like this, these are the moments that make the journey even more meaningful. Hindi man araw-araw, pero when it happens, you really feel it.
And now try it with mac and cheese.
Jollibee will always feel like home no matter how far you are. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching mga mamshi. See you on my next one. Thank you. I love you all. Mwah.